Hey Gear Choice family, welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about electric vehicles, speed, and adventure, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into an exciting review of the Eshiner F8 Plus, a powerhouse electric scooter that's turning heads and redefining what it means to ride. This beast is equipped with a whopping 1500 WQS racing motor and features a robust 72V controller. That's right, you can achieve speeds of up to 150 km/h around 90 mph. Whether you're zipping through urban landscapes or tackling off-road trails, this scooter delivers an exhilarating experience. Now let's talk about the performance. With options for 50Ah and 60Ah batteries, you can expect a range of 120 to 180 km on a single charge. That means less time worrying about charging and more time enjoying the ride. Charging time is just 3 to 5 hours. And with features like dual oil disc brakes and a sturdy frame that supports up to 300 kg, safety and reliability are at the forefront of this design. Plus, the Eshiner F8 Plus isn't just functional, it's foldable, making it perfect for those who need to transport it. Just think of all the adventures waiting for you with this electric scooter. If you're excited about the Eshiner F8 Plus and want to see more detailed reviews and comparisons, make sure to hit that like button. Your support helps us bring more amazing content to you. Drop a comment below with your thoughts. Would you take this scooter for a spin? And don't forget to subscribe for more incredible gear reviews and adventure tips. Thanks for joining us today on Gear Choice. Stay tuned for our next adventure, and remember, gear up, get out, and ride on.